Hey, there you are. Thanks for coming. I'm Dawn, that farm wife. I was just out picking some lettuce for dinner tonight. But I need to make some mayonnaise, so let's go learn how to do that. All right, all you need to make mayonnaise is a mason jar, a cup of a light oil, and I'm using a extra light taste olive oil. Make it a little bit healthier. But of course you could use something like avocado oil, maybe grapeseed oil. We're gonna put in 1 egg. The juice of a half a lemon. A pinch of salt, but I like a little extra salt, so maybe a little bit more than a pinch for me. And a half a teaspoon of mustard. Half a teaspoon of dry mustard. You can use Dijon mustard, you can use, like regular mustard, but that's what I'm using this time. So that's the basic recipe. Now I'm gonna get a little creative. And I'm gonna put in a little bit of my onion powder and some of my garlic powder. Because it's my mayonnaise, I can do what I want, right? All right, so then the only thing you need is an immersion blender. And what you want to do is put this in the jar, on the bottom of the jar, and then leave it sitting on the bottom of the jar while you're blending it. All right, let's watch this magic happen. Once you get to this, looks like starting with mayonnaise, then you can start mixing it up. All right, let's give that a little taste. That's pretty good, but I think it needs more salt. Mayonnaise, homemade in a jar. Doesn't that look good? Thanks for joining me. Until next time. See you later. Bye.